Hello, all traders, and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So, not really too much to talk about in the realm of fundamentals this week. Got PCE data coming up, but we're just seeing gold's trajectory now. Is it sink or swim for gold? Because it's holding above 3,000, which is most important for bulls, but it's just steadily on the incline at the moment, giving us hope that we will be hitting excuse me, another record high in no time. Only roughly about $30 away, which isn't really out of the realm of possibility. Obviously, with the new President Donald Trump's comments shaking the markets quite viciously in the last 5 months, we're seeing indices collapse quite significantly, as well as stocks having a little bit of a bounce back at the moment, as well as the dollar. But it's gold that we're just having a keen eye on after the big move. And obviously, we've got the Russian-Ukraine conflict ongoing. There's been a ceasefire talks in the sea only, but not really on land. So it's not really comforting for a lot of traders that are hoping the dollar is going to start swinging higher and gold moving lower. So at the moment, let's just take a look on the charts. We're just seeing now price action moving just steadily above 3,030, which gives us the impetus that we, excuse me, impetus that we could see another $20 to $25 move higher. But this will obviously be a natural heavy resistance for gold at its record peak. But we just marked out here 3,000 because that's the level we are hoping not to crash through if we're going to have a sustained continuous move higher. And obviously with 3,100, as the economists are expected by the end of the next month at least, is going to be the next target. So we're moving into the second quarter of the year, which is more significant as well. We could see a lot of traders start moving their portfolios to other directions, which could cause a bit of a dramatic sell-off in gold or in the dollar. We'll have to wait and see, obviously, just a few more days for that to go. 27th of March, actually, today. So not long to go before the end of the week and obviously moving into a new month. Which will be on Tuesday. So as you can see here, we're basically just looking to hold above this particular area. It is nicely doing that, but just looking for some direction, not really moving too much in a very tight range at the moment. So we'll just have to wait and see on the next big move. So let's just have a quick look on the dollar as well. This is all intraday, by the way, and steadily creeping higher, but not really giving too much away in the directional bias. So we're just seeing now that price action is really starting to shift. As I said, a bit higher, but a very tight squeeze in the beginning before this move to the upside. And obviously doing that has led the RSI to start moving a bit higher as well. So this could mean that a bearish divergence could be on the way, and we could have a bit of a slowdown before a possible tick higher. So let me know what you're trading on. Do you think the dollar is going to be hitting record highs? Is it going to drop below 3,000, which is a key support zone? Or is it just going to be ranging until next week, where we get a little bit more information from the jobs market and from inflation data as well as GDP, which could really start moving the dollar quite significantly. Stocks are still quite subdued. Indices are a little bit subdued as well, even though they are making a comeback. But is it enough to keep on pushing higher? We'll have to wait and see. But as usual, we'll bring you all the latest on our Telegram and YouTube channel. So stick with us there, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.